Hi everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and today we have a special vehicle to show off to you. This is a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette, and it's not a convertible. This is a coupe, so it's got the cutout for the door here, which I always thought was pretty cool. I like the hardtop versions of these cars. This one is in Riverside Red with red leather interior. It's got the bucket seats, of course, being a Corvette. This one's powered by the 327 cubic inch V8 with the 4-barrel carburetor, and behind that is a 2-speed power glide transmission. Here's the hood release down here so I could show you this beautiful engine. Now this one isn't just a 327, I mean it is, but we have made a really good addition to this car right away, and that is air conditioning. As soon as this car came in, we thought it could get spiced up a little bit, so we put a brand new vintage air conditioning system on it. So you're going to get some ice cold AC out of this thing when you're driving it around. It is a beautiful engine bay as well, very nicely done. Power brakes, as you can see right there, very nice. Power steering as well. You can kind of see the reservoir down below. It's got all the chrome pieces for covering the distributor and everything. Nice 4-barrel 327. Power brakes, again 4-wheel drums, but that's okay. It's got the 15-inch knockoff style wheels on there, and because this is a 64 and an earlier C2, it's got the gauges that I really like. You notice there's kind of a design inside the gauge. They're dished, which is one of my favorite things. You can actually tell that the needle comes out and is bent at the end to follow the shape of the gauge. The inside of it's dished. Later on, I don't remember if it was 65 or 66, they went to just flat gauges with a flat needle. So in the earlier years, you get this cool style that I really like. The layout's basically the same as the later C2s, but these just look a little bit cooler in my opinion. You also have a clock here in the middle with the same thing going on, the bent needles, and this one's working. You can see the second hand ticking along in there, which is incredible. Here's your controls for your factory air, what you would have from factory, and then down here you can see we added a little knob for your AC to turn it all the way to cold, and we have vents here now for your air conditioning as well. Like I said, this one's a 2-speed power glide, so here's your automatic transmission right here. It's got the little pattern on the plate next to it. Your ashtrays down here like all other C2s. Glove box over here as well. We do have the owner's manual and the instructions and stuff for the vintage air system in here for you to have. If you know anything about C2s, there's the VIN number. It's underneath the dashboard, which is kind of weird, not up here by the windshield. Another cool thing about Corvettes, in my opinion, this one has cranky windows. They're not mad at you. You just got to crank them to put them up and down. You can tilt the leather seat forward as well to get to the back. There is no hatch. This doesn't lift up at all. It's just the body. You have to get to the back seat, or not the back seat, the back of the car through here. And you see this can pop up. And under here you have the jack, the floor jack. You still got the stickers underneath there. Looks like a couple of tools were left behind in this one. And there's the mallet for getting the knockoffs off the wheels. It's lead because lead is very soft and will not damage your wheels when you use that mallet to get the knockoffs off, which I always thought was neat. Beautiful carpet in the whole thing. Looks absolutely immaculate on both sides. All the chrome is here. All the chrome handles look just awesome. The door sill guards look amazing. Doors open and close, fantastic. Got the antenna here. The filler cap right here in the middle, which I also always thought was very cool. Amazing chrome bumpers on the front and the back, and actually I meant to start it while I was in here. It's been sitting out here for about half an hour. I'm gonna give it a cold start for you guys. Just gonna wait for this truck to pass by, making a lot of noise. I'm gonna make sure it's in park, and it is. Keys in the ignition. Fires right up. Idling at about 1,000 RPM right now. The engine is cold. As you can see, the temperature hath not moved yet. I haven't had this running beforehand. Very good oil pressure down there. Batteries charging. You got the fuel over on that side. And the lovely tach showing you the RPM. This one, I'm not sure if I mentioned, it has 336 rear gears and positive traction, so if you want to, you can light up both tires at the same time. And one more cool fact about this one in particular, because it's from the 60s, this one was actually built here in St. Louis, at the St. Louis plant where Corvettes used to be built, which is really neat in my opinion. You can hear the engine running smoothly, not making any crazy noises. There's the air conditioning unit. Clutch not engaged right now because I don't have it on. Sounds awesome, no exhaust leaks or anything. The belt's not wobbly, just running immaculate, like you would expect from a car this extremely nice. I actually haven't tested the headlights yet, so I'm curious. So you have this for the lights, but then there's another switch down here that you actually have to press to make them go up. You can see that one moving. I can't see the other one from here, so I'll have to go look at it myself, because the hood's in the way. Oh, look at that. They're both up. And it's kind of hard to see, but the light is on in there on both sides. Nice. I love it when these C2 headlights work. And these actually seem to have gone up evenly, because I stopped holding the button when this one was all the way up, and that one's just even with it. So that's really good to know. And then you just push the button, and back down they go. Very cool. I believe these are vacuum powered on this car. Yep, both down, both even. Awesome. You just got to make sure that with the headlights down, you put the headlight switch in, because just because they're down doesn't mean the headlights are off. Don't want to run your battery low. All right, now that I've shown off this thing up close and personal, I think I'm going to go get Christopher over in his office, and we're going to take this thing for a spin, because I really want to know how it drives. All right, we're in the 64. Starts right up with the cool gauges. Little 300 horse 327.
Power glide.
Yeah, I talked about those gauges in my little walk around.
Oh, they're
the dished concave gauge with the bent needle.
Dished and concave for your pleasure. It's wonderful. God, I love this car.
Oh my goodness.
I like the way this looks. I love the fact it's a coupe.
Well, of course, it's Riverside Red with red interior.
You can't get much better.
Can't get much better.
I think Prince would be really happy about it.
I probably mentioned it. I think these are leather seats.
I believe they are.
They're very comfy.
They're very nice. And you told them about the cool thing we got.
Yes, I have talked about the AC in my little walk around. The control for that is right down here. It's set to cold right now. Still got the factory like air controls for stuff up here and radio. But yeah, addition of vented air conditioning that we added is greatly appreciated.
Yes.
Really made this car.
And it's a coupe.
One step up. Yeah, I like the coupe. So many C2s we get are convertibles.
Almost all of them, right?
And I like a convertible. Don't get me wrong. The C2s are especially nice. But I like a coupe. And this one's an automatic, which again, most of the cars we get are 4-speeds. So this one being an automatic is kind of cool.
And
I like it.
Rare.
And rare.
I see
how.
Somebody's behind us. Someone you know.
It's now. And how. Oh, it's Rick.
The
Rick's
Rickster.
behind us.
The Rickster.
And a Nova.
And another Nova. Wow, how many Novas is around? Oh boy, he's making lots of noise.
He is making
I think he's a little bitter that I'm not cutting anyone off, but this is a 64 Corvette. I don't want to cut anyone.
Yeah, we do have the 300 horse 327 though.
Oh, so it's a little punchier, you're saying.
It's punchy. He's honking at us now. We're waiting for traffic, Rick. We can't control it, and all these old people driving slow.
God, Jesus, they drive slow. I mean, doggone it, they do. You have to cut the Jesus part out.
It's
what
okay.
is going on?
After this Kia, go. Go, punch it, punch it. Here we go. Yeah!
Still a Corvette.
Oh, it's quick. Horn works.
Still a Corvette. Yes. Here he comes.
Yeah, Rick is now behind us. He's one of our technicians for you people at home.
Oh yeah, so you don't know Rick, but we know Rick.
We do have in here as well AM and FM radio, and you flip this thing and it flips that little wheel in there back and forth, which is cool. Always love that. Oh, the handling.
The handling of the coupe is unmatched in 64.
It does handle really nice for a car that's what?
7 years old.
60 years old. 61?
Yeah. 61.
That's incredible.
That is incredible. A TV show in the early 80s. John Davidson, Kathleen Crosby.
It drives so nice too.
Forgot the other guy.
You have
Fran Tarkenton.
cranky windows.
They're not mad at us, are they?
No, you just gotta crank them to put them up and down. Very nice. And yeah, the quarter windows are cranky as well. You crank this little thing, and they open.
Well, it sure is getting hot here. I wish we had a beautiful air conditioner.
We do have air conditioning. See if I can figure out how to turn it on. Fan. Oh, yeah.
I feel it.
Fan speed. Ah, there we go.
Oh, the joy.
We have air coming in now.
Who doesn't love air conditioning?
Very nice. Oh, it's cold air too.
Well, I would imagine it is. It's AC.
It's actually getting very cold. It's brand new AC.
You know,
too,
this fan is nice.
Yeah, you got a fan. You got a fan down there. You got two right here on the side of the center console, and one over here. And yeah, this brand new vintage air, it's cooking.
Yeah, brand new vintage air is nice. It's fresh.
Any vintage air is nice, but especially brand new vintage air. Yes.
That's an odd-looking color.
It is on the Hyundai.
Is that a Hyundai? That's not electric. Boogie,
No.
woogie, woogie.
But this car is certainly not electric, and it's also bright red, which I love.
Can't miss it.
This is how a C2 should be.
Really, it should be.
Riverside Red.
My favorite. It really is
Prince
one of my
sang about
favorites.
it.
He sure did.
Little red Corvette.
God love him. God love Prince. I miss that dude. He
Everything
was cool.
about this car is in just immaculate condition. The paint is fantastic. The engine bay looks fantastic. The dashboard and everything was fantastic. It's not cracked. Everything's there. The gauges all work. The back is very nicely carpeted and painted back there. The headliner's nice.
Oh, yeah.
Just a beautiful car.
It's a beautiful specimen of the early 60s.
And C2s just drive fantastic.
They do.
And now we're at a bean test.
Okay, here I go. 1, 2, 3. Get loose now. Holy cow.
Punchy little 327.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's just a 2-speed power glide.
But it's wonderful.
So it's not super peppy like the 4-speed, but
It
it's
is
still
freezing in here. I'm loving this AC.
Yeah, it's actually getting too cold. I'm going to turn that off.
You can hang meat in this thing.
Yes, you could. Yes,
Oh,
you
this is
could.
nice. I like this car a bunch.
I love all C2s. This one cruises especially nice, though.
This one's like, I'm really comfortable in it.
This
and
one's
it's a coupe.
more leaning toward comfort than it is sportiness as far as C2s go.
Yeah.
But there's something to be said for that I think it's very nice.
It's very nice.
You got AC, cranky windows, and because it's not a convertible, it seals very nice. You're not going to worry about stuff leaking or
I hate leaks.
having a lot of air noise.
I hate air noises.
And you have very cold AC.
Oh, look. There's its newer, younger brother.
That's a C8 over there. I like this C2 though.
Oh, yeah. I don't think you can compare them. The styling in this car is unmatched.
Unmatched. All right, you want to do a couple flybys?
I don't see why not.
Let's do it.
I love it. Good luck. We're all counting on you. There he goes. One of God's own prototypes. Oh, look at him make that turn. Very nice, very nice. I'm gonna get back to my new and improved spot. Oh, nice. Go get him, Slick. Man, it's a nice car. It's a beaut.
Oh, hello, Christopher.
Oh, well, hi.
Did you see my awesome headlights that I put up?
I did. I liked it.
There's Park. Yeah, this thing drives flawlessly.
It looks great, too.
And the headlights went up pretty even. It went down pretty even, too.
Oh, it looks great. It's sleek.
The clock is working.
Shut the hell up.
Even the clock
for
works.
the love of Pete.
We love it when a clock works.
We never see it. We love seeing it. When
I
it
know.
happens, it's cool.
This car is so flawless. I love it.
I do, too. Are we ready to go back?
I think we are.
I don't think we should ever take it back.